Hi gang, Poppy here. This is Poppy After Midnight, September 26, 2019. It's 2:56 a.m. In a little bit I'll start watching the early morning news. But right now, let's talk about swag. A lot of YouTube creators have t-shirts, hats, belt buckles, stickers, posters, all kinds of merchandise with their name, face, logo, their proudest statement to the world, about themselves or what they do. And they say, love me, subscribe to me, tell me who you are, and I'll send you a sticker, I'll send you a poster. Where do you think those come from? Those creators are buying them. You think the poster companies say, hey, you got a YouTube channel, we want to make posters? Maybe one or two, I imagine there are one or two really big channels that everyone wants to put their name, their logo, their face on a shirt, a poster, a knife. That's great. But for most cases, the creator's got to buy that stuff so he can give it away. Yeah. Uh, there are some things like you hit 1,000 subscribers and you give something away. That's understandable. That's a celebration. Uh, Rewarding your subscribers or a subscriber, right? That stuff all costs money. If you're doing it to make money, let me just say, it takes money to make money. If you don't have no money, you ain't going to make no money. Hard work and a pretty face don't get you as far as hard work, pretty face, and a baseball bat upside the guy's head and take his wallet. Sorry. Well, I'm going to go now. Before I say something that can get death threats sent to my email address.